Hey guys, Dave Markowicz here. How's everyone doing today? Wanted to take some time today to speak about Anric Blatt. And Anric and I met about a year ago through LinkedIn. And throughout the year, I just want to let you guys know how much of his teachings has helped me and my company grow. He just has a really great way of presenting things in a basic format, and he's got tools and tricks that I never knew about till I met Anric. And you guys should really look in to see what he has to offer in terms of his teaching about LinkedIn and actually about other things in life. So I just wanted to share that, all these little things with his little notes that he writes and his little techniques to gain focus on LinkedIn has actually helped me get a lot more connections. And when I say connections, I'm not just saying, oh, someone followed me here or there, but actual real connections who I built relationships now throughout the last year. As COVID hit, we all know we had to kind of pivot, and I started really using LinkedIn on a more regular basis. And Anric really showed me like these little things that you can just do to kind of tweak here and there. And it's been phenomenal. I've made some great friendships, but also business wise, and I can't say enough. So he knows his stuff. I would just take the time to see what he has to offer in terms of his teaching capabilities with LinkedIn. He's a definite master. So I just wanted to tell you, and Anric, thank you so much. You've been a blessing to me. And hey, just follow Anric. He knows his stuff, guys. And if you want to speak out to me directly and get more, I can definitely tell you more about him. But I just wanted to throw that out there for you guys today. Have a great rest of your week, and happy holidays to everybody. Bye.